Let's learn how to reduce animations and speed up your mobile. When we open some applications, we can see a animation preview like this. We can disable this animation preview and we can speed up our mobile. Let's learn how to do this. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to accessibility option. Go to visibility enhancement option. In here, you can enable this remove animations option. Now I come to my home screen. You can see no any animation preview. The applications open very fastly, no any smooth animation. In this method, you can speed up your mobile.